Considering purchasing window film for your home? Well, here's what you can expect. A professionally trained Vista window film dealer will call you to discuss your needs and schedule a free in-home estimate. During the visit, the sales rep will listen to any concerns you may have about heat, glare, or UV damage. He will evaluate your windows, determine the type of glass and frame, and recommend the best film options to suit your needs. After measuring the windows, the sales rep will provide film samples, a cost proposal, and warranty information. He will also answer any questions you may have about the installation process. To prepare for installation, move furniture at least 3 feet away from the windows. If instructed by the sales rep, remove window treatments. It is not necessary to have your windows washed. Pets and children should be kept clear of the installation area. Plan on 4 to 8 hours to complete a full installation on an average-sized home. Upon arriving, your Vista installer will put down a drop cloth to protect your flooring from any overspray of cleaning and application solutions. There are no odors or VOC concerns when applying window film. The installer will thoroughly clean each window using specialized tools and a cleaning solution. If not already pre-cut at the dealership, the film will be cut to size. The installer will then remove the film's liner and use an application solution to activate the adhesive which bonds the film to the glass. Trimming the film ensures a perfect fit to your windows. The installer will use specialized squeegee tools to remove any remaining water, but it will take up to several weeks for the film to fully cure to the glass, depending on your local climate. A quality inspection will be performed on every window to ensure that you are satisfied with the job. Your installer will review instructions on how to care for your new window film and present you with a factory-backed warranty. When you purchase from a Vista window film dealer, you can be assured that you've invested in a high-quality product with service you can count on for many years to come.